So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is validate stack sequences. So guys, what is this question all about? Okay, so in this question we are given two arrays pushed and popped in which they are telling the sequence in which the elements are pushed and popped. So we need to find out, we need to check whether these sequences can be a valid stack sequence or not. Okay, so let's understand this problem with the help of some illustrations. Okay, so let's take these examples. So what we can do that we can take a stack. We can take a stack and check whether these combinations work or not. So okay, so let us see what does it mean. For example, we are given the array 4 5 3 2 1 as popped array. So what it means is that first 4 will be popped, then 5 will be popped, then 3, then 2, then 1. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be pushed in this order only. That first 1 will be pushed, then 2 will be pushed. Now, this is given. We need to tell whether this is a valid sequence or not. So, what we can do is we can take a stack and we can start pushing the elements. Okay, so let us say we push these. So, I pushed 1, then again 2, then again 3. Yeah. Then I pushed what? Then I pushed 4. Okay, so I will push at every iteration and I'll have a pointer here and I'll check whether I can pop it or not. I can only pop due to, as the constraint says, I can only pop 4 first. So in order to pop 4, I need to have 4 in the stack. So I keep pushing and checking. If popped of j, I'll keep a pointer here, is equals to stack dot top or not, because if it is not, until and unless it is not, I cannot pop. So it is equal. So what I did, I just popped it out. Then came 5, I pushed in 5. Then I encountered 5 here, I incremented j, so I just popped it out. Then this was over. Okay, so I'll have to use a while loop here to keep the track of this. So stack dot top was 3 and j was also pointing 3. Cool. 2 here also 2, 1 here also 1. So finally the stack should be empty because all the things are pushed and all the elements are pushed and also popped. So if the stack is not empty, that means we can say that it is not a valid, what do you say, it is not a valid sequence. So let's see the code as well. We are simply iterating the whole string and we are pushing it into the stack, that element, and we are checking that if the stack dot top is equals to popped of j, that is this array, then we are also popping it from the stack and doing a j plus plus. Finally, at last, while coming after we came out of the loop, we are checking if stack is still empty or not. If the stack is empty, then we are returning true, else we have to return false. So yeah guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, you like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.